This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about growth hacking tools for customer retention. Now, in this video, I will talk about different tools, and there are 4 tools I will be discussing. The very first one is 5secondtest.com. If you want to know your site design is giving customers the information they need, that means if they come to your website and whatever they've been searching online and they land up onto your site, that is the right information they need, you can actually test this for free with 5-second test. What you could do is you can sign up and you can upload a page design or your landing page design. The testers from this platform will see it for 5 seconds and will be asked about what they remember. This feedback can actually help you target your page design to improve information retention and customer retention with it. Okay, so 5-second test. You can just sign up. I think it is free, and you can have even as a single user, you can have limited test length for 2 minutes, and then you can check if that landing page you have designed is informative enough for these testers. Okay, you can once you sign up for this, you can actually upload your page right here at the bottom. Give a 5-second test here for you to get the information from this particular platform. Okay, so this is the 5secondtest.com for customer retention. The second one is one, again, a very popular one, which is HubSpot.com. Now, one way to retain customers is to build relationship with them. It's very important to have relationship with them so that they come back again to your website. And HubSpot is one platform which I normally use quite significantly for my website. It's actually give a lot of free tools that will help your business grow and expand. Now, for example, they give free CRM software that integrates with your email provider, just like MailChimp or any other email provider you are actually subscribed with. Then you have free and low-cost lead management software, including lead analytics. Then we have free and low-cost sales management software, including email tracking, scheduling, meeting, and reporting. Okay, so you can see there's a free HubSpot CRM, and you can get it for free. I can show you one of the form we have posted here. You can see it has been created free with HubSpot. Okay, this is again growth hacking technique for customer retention. All right. The other one, the third one, is specifically I have vaguely talked about in the last video with manychat.com, if you remember, is Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Now, Facebook Messenger is one of the easiest way to reach customer, even while you can use it as on your smartphone, and you can connect with your customers on smartphone that goes everywhere with them, and answer their question almost immediately. Now we have talked about manychat.com, which is Facebook Messenger bot, and bots are actually a great way to maintain a continuous connection with customers. So you can actually integrate or link your Facebook pages with or Messenger with manychat.com, and then that is the strategy for retaining customers as well. The fourth one, which is again I have talked about initially, is Quora. Quora is where customers will ask you questions, and then you can provide the relevant answers they need. You can subscribe to topics related to your business, and you will know when new questions are asked. Then you can jump in well thought answers, and you can answer those questions, which will then lead to those users of yours or people who are reading your answers to follow your profile link, and then it will be linked back to your website. Okay, 4 different tools for customer retention. 5-second test is the first one. Second is HubSpot CRM. They're all free. And then you have Messenger. Of course, I'm sure that you've been using it for quite a while. And Quora, which is, again, a very huge platform, and we use it quite significantly. Okay, that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye for now.